A tag cloud is a visual depiction of user-generated terms or words used in your references. Bookends will dynamically generate tag clouds from the references showing in the list view, called the reference set. To generate a tag cloud, open the display pane and click on the tag cloud icon. Bookends will display tags in alphabetical order. The more frequently the tag is used, the larger the text size and the brighter the color. You can restrict a tag cloud to a limited number of the most frequent tags. There are two kinds of tags. One kind consists of terms from the keywords, authors, or editors fields. The other is individual words from the title, abstract, or notes fields. You will find an editable list of so-called stop words in preferences that is used to filter common and uninformative words from tag clouds. If you hover the pointer over a word, it will highlight and the number of times it is used in the reference set will be displayed. Clicking on a tag restricts the reference list to the matches, and Shift or Command clicking lets you select multiple tags at once. To deselect a tag, Shift-click on it, and to deselect all tags, click on whitespace. You can move between the different display options and even perform live searches without disturbing the tag cloud. If you change reference sets by selecting a group or performing a search, a new and appropriate tag cloud will be created. Tag clouds can be used to quickly drill down through your references. For example, you may want to find a reference whose title you know contains the word NF-kappa-B, but you're not sure about the name of the authors. To find this paper, show the words from all the titles in your database. Click on the word NF-kappa-B. Now use the menu item Create Tag Cloud from this reference set to generate a new tag cloud just from these references. Change to the author's tag cloud. Upon examination, you recognize the name of the author, click on it, and isolate the paper you're looking for.